What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another install video on the 10th and Civic here. Nothing too crazy. We do have something simple, but it is something nice, and that is the Cusco strut tower bar here. And this is it. Genuine stuff, comes up pretty nice. A lot of little labelings here and there. All Chinese, so I can't read anything. But I think that's the part number there. The number's at the top there in the letter. But yeah, this is it. It's a really nice bar. This is how it comes. The ends are blue. The middle is actually chrome, but it's just got this wrapper on it. So that's what it looks like there. Just gotta take that blue wrapper off. But yeah, it's pretty damn nice. It is a multi-piece. I know the full, one-piece bars are a bit better for performance-wise, but I like the look of this one, honestly, and that's pretty much the reason I got it. I don't really go and I don't take my car out on the, on a racetrack or anything like that. So I don't really need the best of the best. I just wanted it mainly for looks. Give the little engine bay a little bit of a pop, something new, something a little different. I got all my white going on. I wanted to add something to the back. I don't like that this is blue, just because it's not gonna match, my car at all. So I'm hoping one day I'll probably be painting this black and do it just black and chrome. I think that'll be nice. Or maybe I'll go with my theme and I'll paint them in white and do white with the chrome bar. But we'll see. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think I should do. If I should go black and chrome or white and chrome. And yeah, just give me some ideas. Let me know. This is how it comes out of the package. It comes in this plastic bag here, just like this. So what I'm gonna have to do is kind of undo this bolt a little bit. It is, I already checked it. It's a big old 17 millimeter in the back, and then you got this Allen key here in the front, or vice versa. I'm not really sure how this goes. Yeah, I think that's the back and the front. This is actually another reason why I got this one rather than the standard, the nicer, not really nicer, but more performance single bar ones, is because if for some reason, based on where this sits, I ever got to replace my battery, I don't got to take out all the bolts here for the strut bar. Excuse my dirty ass engine bay. These damn leaves. My car's been outside, so. But anyways, yeah, I won't have to undo all the bolts. I could just do that one Allen bolt and the bar will lift up and I can remove my battery if I need to. So it's one of the reasons why I went with this guy instead of a full one-piece one, because with the one-piece one I would have had to undo all 3 bolts on both sides to be able to get it out, not just the one and lift. So that might be something you want to think about, if you don't care too much about the high performance of it. You just want something that looks good. It makes it easier for you to, remove your battery if you need to. Then I think this was pretty much the best choice. Any one that's like this, a 3-piece bar. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. Go ahead and put all the bolts from here. If you don't know and you're doing this, at least on the, I don't know about all of them, but on the Civic Hatchback Sport, which is what I got here, it is a 14 millimeters for those 3 bolts. So undo those, basically take out this little frame here, take out this little black frame that it's got, put the bar in, put the 3 bolts back on, tighten it all up, and it's good to go. So simple but nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so there it is. I got it in. It's pretty simple. Like I said, just the 3 bolts there, and make sure you tighten up the ones here afterwards so it's not all wiggling around. But yeah, I actually didn't notice this till now that I see it in the sun, but man, that blue is very sparkly. I hope the camera can see that, but wow, it's really glittery. I thought it was just a plain blue, because only time I looked at it was in the shade, and in the shade it looks like a plain blue, but man, in the sun the thing really sparkles. So yeah, there it is. Oh, Go ahead and don't forget to pull this off. Let's see. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's some shiny stuff right there. See right there, Cusco, made in Japan. Yeah man, this thing came out awesome. I love it. And yeah, the sparkly blue is pretty awesome, but again, doesn't really go with my theme here. So let me know, guys. Let me know if I should do y'all think I should keep it blue the way it is, or should I go ahead and paint it either black, gloss black, to kind of blend in and go with the rest of, you know, the engine bay here, or should I do it in a white to match my little, you know, little trim covers here along the edges? So yeah, let me know. Put a comment down in the comments, and let me know what you guys think. That's it for the install. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Love the way it came out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be posting a lot more videos. I actually got something that just came in the mail today that I'm looking forward to installing on this guy. You guys are not gonna want to miss it, so please stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.